Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make pressure cooker khichdi. So it is very easy to make and very delicious and very nutritious. So I will show you the ingredients quickly. So first of all, I have taken a rice. I have taken two such container of rice, and the pulses. I have used here two type of pulses, mug and masoor. So this one whole cup I am taking two types of pulses. And in the vegetables I am using potato, green beans, carrots, tomatoes, green chilies, and in the spices I'll be using cumin powder and coriander powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, and cumin seeds, and dried red chilies. Two dried red chilies I'll be using here, and the onions. So I will quickly start the process. Friends, today the weather is very cloudy and rainy. It has been raining the whole day. So it's a perfect day to relish khichdi, which is very easy, quick, and perfect for this weather. So friends, I have washed properly all the rice and the pulses together. You should wash it till the transparent water comes out, and get properly cleaned. So next I have taken a cooker. So this is the cooker I am going to use. So friends, I have put all the rice and pulses into the cooker, and now I will give all the vegetables one by one. So this all I will give. The potatoes, I have used here two potatoes, two big size potatoes. Two tomatoes, here I've used around 5 chilies, around 2 carrots, roughly chopped carrots, and the green beans, so it will be full of vegetables. Next I will be giving all the spices, that is the cumin and the coriander powder, 2 such spoons, cumin powder and the coriander. Okay, next I will be giving the turmeric powder, next I'll be giving the ginger garlic paste, and salt. I will be giving around 2 tablespoons. Later when I will open the cooker, I will taste and adjust that time accordingly. Okay, so this all I have put. Next I will be giving the water. Little more water we require. So little more water I'll be using, and I will mix it well. all the spices should properly dissolve, and I will cook this for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles in full flame, I'll be opening it, and I'll show you the rest of the process next. Okay, so I have given the water. Little more I'll be giving. Yeah, I'll close the cooker. So friends, I have on the gas, and as you can see, I have kept in full flame, and will cook it until 2 whistles. Up till 2 whistles, here all the vegetables will be properly cooked and rice will be also cooked. So friends, while my khichdi is being cooked, I will show you the next process. I have on the gas and taken one non-stick kadhai, and I have put around 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and will wait for it to get heated up. So friends, my oil has got heated up. I will give the cumin seeds. I will lower the flame little, and the 2 red chilies. And I will give the onions. I am using here 2 onions, medium sized onions. So I will get into this. And I will be preparing a nice tarka, which I will give after all my rice and vegetables are cooked. So friends, it has been 5 minutes and my onion is ready. We don't need to overcook it. Okay, so I will off the gas now. So friends, already one whistle. So friends, the pressure has got out. Now I will open the cooker. So I have opened the cooker, and you can see everything is nicely cooked. I will smash the tomatoes, and now I will on the gas once again. I have brought it to boil once again, and now I will give the fried onions into it, the tarka which I have prepared before. This one I'll be giving it. So I'll be giving the tarka now into this. So friends, I have given the tarka, and now I will stir it. My potatoes are also cooked. You can check the taste for salt and adjust it this time. It's almost done. Friends, the khichdi is ready now. So try this easy recipe of cooking khichdi in your home and let me know how was the taste. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos for more easy and unique recipes of cooking. Okay, bye bye. Take care.